Hi guys, welcome to Manure Education. In this video, we look at why students fail to score good marks in Maharashtra MCA CET examination. So major reasons we will be discussing in this video. This is very important video. So kindly share this video to all your friends, those who are targeting for the MCA CET examination or looking admission into the best MCA colleges in Maharashtra. So if you have started your preparation or planning to start your preparation, this video will be very important for you people. So do watch this video very carefully and implement the same thing which I will be discussing in this video. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So very first reason is nothing but self-doubt. People have a self-doubt with regards to the syllabus, with regards to this section. They are not confident enough to solve the maths kind of a question. तो बहुत लोग का maths weak है या तो फिर English communication is the problem, understanding is the problem. So low confident you can say many of the student have. So ये जो आपका self doubt है इसको आपको rid off करना पड़ेगा from your life, from your mindset. So this is the first reason. पहले आपका attitude towards the exam ऐसा बनाओ कि मैं आराम से एग्ज़ाम निकाल सकता हूँ, वो पॉजिटिविटी के साथ आपकी प्रिपरेशन चालू करो. Second, lack of awareness about the examination, about the syllabus, about the question types which comes in the examination. So before you start your preparation, you should study about the examination. एक दिन लो, दो दिन लो, एक हफ्ते का टाइम लो, बट एग्ज़ाम के बारे में इन डेप्थ स्टडी करो. किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कितने लोग एग्जाम लिखते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द डिफिकल्टी लेवल. सो सबको लेके कंप्लीट एनालिसिस वीडियो वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड, सो यू कैन वॉच ऑल द वीडियोस ऑन द यूट्यूब इटसेल्फ. सिर्फ आपको MCA CET एनालिसिस वीडियो बाय मेन्यूर एजुकेशन यूट्यूब पे टाइप करोगे, यू विल गेट ऑल द वीडियोस. यू विल गेट द वीडियोस बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपर्स ऑल्सो. सो टॉपर्स ने जितने भी पॉडकास्ट किए हुए वो भी वीडियो अवेलेबल है, सो यू कैन वॉच दोज पॉडकास्ट एज वेल. थर्ड विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रीज़न, वी स्टार्ट आवर प्रिपरेशन विद दी होपिंग एटीट्यूड. मैंने CET लिखा, अच्छा स्कोर आया तो भी ठीक है, नहीं आया तो भी ठीक है, अच्छा कॉलेज मिला तो भी ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो भी ठीक है. ये एटीट्यूड आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आपको अचीवेबल एटीट्यूड के साथ प्रिपरेशन चालू करनी होगी. आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू दी VGTI, आई वॉन्ट एडमिशन इन SPIT, आई वॉन्ट एडमिशन इन सोमैया, आई वॉन्ट एडमिशन इन विवेकानंद, जो भी MCA के टॉप कॉलेज आप टारगेट कर रहे हो. सो ऑलवेज टारगेट टॉप 3, टॉप 5 और द बेस्ट MCA कॉलेजेस इन मुंबई, पुणे और महाराष्ट्र यू कैन से. सो डू कीप योर गोल इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आई. जहाँ पे आपका स्टडी टेबल है उसके सामने, नोटिस बोर्ड के सामने आपका टारगेट, आपका गोल, आपके कॉलेज का फ़ोटो होना ही चाहिए और उसको लेके क्या कट ऑफ है, क्या स्कोर रिक्वायर्ड है, वो भी आपके स्टडी टेबल के सामने होना चाहिए. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू शुड स्ट्रैटेजाइज और प्रिपरेशन. Fourth point is lack of awareness about the syllabus. With regards to the maths, you have to prepare for the arithmetic, you have to prepare for the algebra, then differential equation, modern maths, geometry, trigo. So all these topic you have to prepare thoroughly. Likewise for the English, all the vocab sort of a question, grammar based question, comprehension and verbal ability kind of a questions, followed by your logical reasoning question, traditional logic, verbal, critical, analytical. So please pause the video and go through all this topic. And lastly, computer concept. So this is what the complete syllabus and the topic which you have to prepare from all this section. So many students start their preparation but they have a lack of awareness about the syllabus, about the topic and what is the weightage of the particular topic. That is again very important. Next reason, always start your early preparation. अगर जल्दी चालू करोगे आपकी preparation, you will get time to plan your preparation, to strategize your preparation, to have a proper mentorship, proper guidance from your faculty member, from your teacher, whichever coaching institute you have joined. So if you have a concrete planning, definitely you will be executing exam very well. But this is very important to start your early preparation. And lastly is nothing but the resources. You should have a proper book, proper study material, you can say your test series, your full length mock test. So resources play a very important role again in terms of cracking the examination. You should practice all kind of a question types which comes in the examination, and you should know that short trick also to save your time. This is what the major parameters guys which is important to crack the Maharashtra MCA CET examination. So all these things you will be getting if you are the part of the Manure Education, whether you have joined us for the live class or the classroom. This is what the number details with regards to the batches. In case if you want to join, you can contact our team on this number. If you are Mumbai based, you can visit our center Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. But if you are not Mumbai based, you can check out our live class. All the details I have mentioned in description. Kindly check the description. So do follow all these parameters guys, whichever I have discussed in this video. If you really want to crack Maharashtra MCA CET with good score, want to end up with the best MCA colleges for your career, and do share this video to all your friends so that they should also be benefited from this video, and do subscribe the channel so that you should not miss any future videos. All the very best. Thank you.